Good morning. This is video journal number 4, where we're looking at a 30-second commercial and going over the pleasure versus simple, rational versus emotional. And this is the video I chose. It was Doritos Loaded TV commercial.
Tyler, have you tried these Doritos Loaded yet?
What? I've never even seen these before.
Well,
What do you think?
The nacho cheese snack for the bold. Doritos Loaded. Get them at 7-Eleven and only 7-Eleven.
All right. I think there could be possible indulgence, which comes from the simple side, the rational side. Looks like there's very convenient packaging and how you can open the packaging of this particular Doritos. It can meet a need at hand if you need a snack and you stop in at the gas station, specifically that being the 7-Eleven. You're able to get you a snack right there. So there's a performance hand issue there, which falls under the rational simple method. And it also looks very appealing, to be honest with you. But looks is more of the emotional side. So looks would be one. I've never seen Doritos like that. It looks really appealing with the cheese and everything in the inside. So along with it, looking like a good snack, there's a taste sensation. So there's sensation that goes along with it. Looks like it could taste good. Looks like there's an explosion of cheese the way they made the commercial there. And it's very unique because I've never seen Doritos filled with cheese. This is the first time I've even heard of this loaded Dorito. And something else that's very unique is they said it was only sold at 7-Elevens. And, you know, most of the Dorito products that we know, you can buy them anywhere. But in this particular case, there seems to be a deal of you can only get it at a 7-Eleven. So sounds like there's a partnership in this product with Doritos and 7-Eleven. And then in my opinion, there was also a little bit of laughter there with the owl being on the guy's shoulder. And they both were all of a sudden scared. His Dorito was so good that maybe the owl wanted some, or he became this guy's best friend because he's now eating a Dorito, and both the guys were just completely scared about it. So there was an element of laughter there. There was also a little bit of element of comedy when the guy bit into the Dorito Loaded, and it was like he went into a state of euphoria. And he saw the train and almost like he went into a new world, neon lights, all that good stuff. So there could be an element of funness or laughter as well. But there was more of the elements on the pleasure, emotional side, I'd have to say, than there was the actual rational side. And I think I've went over my 2 minutes. I do apologize. And that is video journal number 4, 30-second Doritos commercial. Thank you.